Strong legs, stronger life. Let's finish day 60 of our journey together and feel the difference in every step. Welcome back, seniors. Today is day 60 of our daily senior leg strength series. If you're new here, we repeat the same exercises every day so your legs truly get stronger. Today, we will do 3 simple leg exercises together. Make sure you have your chair nearby and a little space to move safely. Chair sit to stand exercise. The chair sit to stand exercise is an essential movement for seniors to strengthen leg muscles, improve balance, and enhance mobility. Start by sitting comfortably on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting on your thighs. Slowly rise to a standing position, keeping your back straight and engaging your core muscles. Then gently sit back down, maintaining control throughout the movement. Repeat this action with full attention, counting each repetition aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Midway, check in with yourself and notice any fatigue. Share this exercise with a friend to encourage joint participation and support. Seated leg lifts. The seated leg lifts are excellent for improving leg strength, flexibility, and core stability for seniors. Begin by sitting on a sturdy chair with your back straight and hands placed on the sides for support. Slowly lift one leg until it is fully straight, then lower it gently, maintaining control. Alternate legs and count every repetition allowed to stay focused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Midway, check your breathing and focus. Which country are you exercising from? Let me know. Share this exercise with a friend to motivate each other. Seniors, remember, exercise is important, but it's only half the solution. To truly improve your health, energy, and body, you need the right internal support. Nagano Tonic helps boost metabolism, melt stubborn fat, increase energy, and make you feel younger from within. Many seniors see faster, stronger results when they combine this tonic with their daily exercises. Without it, progress can be slow. Find the link in the description and start your transformation today. Heel raises, standing. Heel raises are a simple yet powerful exercise for strengthening the calves, improving balance, and enhancing stability in seniors. Begin by standing behind a sturdy chair with your hands lightly resting on the back for support. Slowly rise onto your toes, hold briefly, and then lower your heels back down with control. Count each repetition aloud from 1 to 50 to maintain focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Midway, notice your calves working hard and push a little more. This is the final exercise of day 60. Finish strong. Share this routine with 5 to 7 friends so you can all benefit together. Great job completing day 60. How are your legs feeling today? Write your experience in the comments. Remember, consistency is what makes your legs stronger. Share this video so your friends can join you in exercising.